All right, well, I booked just a bus to Phuket, so we're gonna drive there. I think it's like 2.5 hour drive, then possibly go to the elephant sanctuary for Jen's birthday. Ready, Jen? Bus number 2, I guess. Let's get it. There's a bike rental place down here. Gotta find a bike. That was a wild bus ride. It was a little bumpy. Stopped to switch buses like 3 times. But now we're here.
Alaska was playing some bumping music.
Yeah. Actually, I don't know if we're walking the right way, to be honest. Oh yeah, we are. Okay, good. Our hotel is about like 1.3 kilometers, I think, 700. Oh, it's only 700 meters. So we decided to walk to it. Power lines are hilarious. Ooh. It's like walking down the side on the street. Ooh, 5 loaves homemade burger. Kind of a snack.
Someone does that in the States.
I believe this is Old Town Phuket, where we're staying. I don't see any tall buildings though. That's like where our place looks. Yeah. The most interesting colors. Well, we went the wrong way. We gotta take taxi now. And thought he was in the Fast and Furious movie in his Honda Civic. That was a shitty taxi ride and expensive. We could have got a whole bike for a day. Not sure what we're doing. I think we're waiting for the chick to check in. Do a house tour. Nice view. Kitchen. Now we're headed to the sky pool. Oh wait, we gotta do the bathroom. Shower. And another bed. Cool. 14, she said? Very nice. Alright, let's do some underwater testing. 2.7. There we go, we got 4K rock on it. Rock 7, baby. I think it's chlorine because it burns like a bitch.
Oh. I came up and I was like, damn.
Nice. How do you like this way, Ripper? It's great. We got 3% left. We're gonna go get some dinner. Dinner? What do you want? Chicken fried rice, I guess. Again, never can go wrong. And boba. Made it. Does it look good? Send it. Bon appetit. We're living off rice right now. Very good. How was it?
It's really good.